Okay, what's up, folks? Yasser again. Okay, so I got my second package today. That is here, and I have my first pack, and this is my another pack. So this is a tamper glass for my Pixel 3. So அதில் தான் நான் வந்து film பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். So let's unbox it later. And this is for the fitness. This is one of the supplements, whey protein. I got it from PowerUS. So that's one of ProBus brand. So let's open it. And again, this is from Amazon. As I said, start from the phone to try anything. I have to start small. I ordered 2 lbs, which is 1 kg pack, and yeah, usual packing with labels and stuff. So I'm going to check that. Okay, so this is PowerUS. So that's, you can see 1 kg pack. You can see 24 grams of protein with 5.3 BCAs, 4.1 glutamine, and 28 servings plus or minus 5. You can see. So per day recommended 2 scoops. So you will get around 50 grams of protein per day. And again, this is a supplement. நீங்கள் இதை மட்டுமே ரிலை பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தீங்க அப்படின்னா you will not survive, and it is, I won't recommend to go only with the supplement. So as you can see in the name itself, this is a supplement. You have to have your regular foods, have to take your foods along with the protein, carbs, and of course greens. So this is for post workout. நான் வந்துட்டு mostly யூஸ் பண்ணுறது வந்து post workout தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுவேன். And yeah, and they have launched it recently, and this is a vegetarian, so no matter what, so you can check the authenticity. You can see the code. So எப்பவுமே நீங்கள் வந்துட்டு எந்த பிராண்டில் வந்துட்டு supplements or any products that you are ordering, ஏன்னா மார்க்கெட்டில் வந்து நிறைய fake products, so you don't want to harm your health by choosing a wrong product or fake products. So go with the genuine products always. Go with so you can see the QR codes as well as the scanning code in the package. So I can usually go and check what is the authenticity. So I'll go and check on that. Oh yeah, so the flavor, I always go with chocolate, and this time I just went for Irish chocolate flavor. That's something I like. But let's see how this tastes. So I'm just going to share it. And இதோட MRP பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 1799, that is online. But with the offer that is going on, I got it around 1200, so that's per kg. But let's see, I'll be sharing you the updates soon. So mostly வந்துட்டு நீங்கள் வந்துட்டு ஒர்க் அவுட் முடிச்சுட்டு 15 to 30 minutes நீங்கள் வந்துட்டு வே ப்ரோட்டீன் வந்துட்டு கன்சியூம் பண்ணீங்க அப்படின்னா it'll be helpful. Because ஏன் அப்படின்னா வந்து as soon as நீங்கள் வந்து ஒர்க் அவுட் முடிச்சதுக்கப்புறம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களோட pH level it will be more. The ultimate goal வந்துட்டு நீங்கள் இப்போ ப்ரோட்டீன் எடுக்கிறதுக்கு வந்து மேக்ஸிமம் அப்சார்ப்ஷன் இருக்கும். ஸோ உங்கள் பாடியில் pH level எப்போல்லாம் ஹையில் இருக்கோ there will be a absorption rate வந்துட்டு ஹையாக இருக்கும். So that's why experts and scientifically proven fact. So after you finish your workout with the pH level being increased, so நீங்கள் whey protein consume பண்ணீங்க அப்படின்னா உங்களோட பாடியில் absorption level will be higher, and of course it will be helpful for your recovery. Because in this pack you can see 5.3% of BCAAs, 4.1 grams of glutamines. Glutamine is ultimately required to recover your body. And yeah, so it's not only the supplement that I have right now. I have the other package. I'm going to start consuming creatine, BCAAs. BCAAs is one of the main compounds of your protein. And yeah, so I'll be combining all these three, because you should not only go with the listed nutrients in here, the minerals. So உங்களோட மற்ற proteins and other foods நீங்கள் என்னெல்லாம் வந்துட்டு consume பண்ணீங்களோ, you have to do a math. நீங்கள் math பண்ணிவிட்டு you have to write it down, because you understand your body, and have to get a consultation with your coach or mentors or any of the seniors. They'll guide you on that. And list everything. You have to go with your body weight, food habits, lifestyle. You have to understand and analyze everything. Only then நீங்கள் வந்துட்டு நீங்கள் என்ன சாப்பிடணும், என்ன சாப்பிடக்கூடாது, what are the supplements that you have to go அப்படின்னு learning பார்க்கலாம். Oh yeah, I'll be explaining all of that, and this is the test run to see how it is going to be. So I'll be running it for the next 20 days and see how it will be. So 28 servings, I'll be having it in the next 15 days max. So I'll just finish it up, and in 2 weeks I'll order another thing with the results of this, and I'll share my reviews soon. Okay, see you guys again, and stay tuned. I'll be posting my videos of my workouts and any of the upcoming updates for you guys. Okay, stay healthy, stay happy. Cheers.